Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the most simplest way to set up a ChatGPT-like tool locally. So first of all, open your browser and search for LM Studio. So next we need to download the installer, and here you can change the operating system based on the one installed on your machine. So I have already one downloaded, so I'm going to install on my machine. Next, we are going to open LM Studio. And the first thing we need to do once the tool is opened, we need to download the model. So when you see the first screen, you will click Get Started, and then this tool will show you the option to download a model. We can also download the model later, but here we already have one suggestion, and I'm going to download the suggested model. This will take a while, and once the model is completed, we are going to click on continue, and here we have some settings. So if you like to play around some developer uh, settings, you can turn it on, and our UI is ready. Now the thing is, the model is not loaded. So if we write any prompt, it will going to show us that model is not loaded, so you have to load the model. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on this model loader. In this case, we are loading our Gemma model, and now we can write a prompt. So the model started working. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching.